What if I told you that in just a few minutes a day, you could completely transform your life? Sounds like a scam, right? But stay with me, because the truth is, most people never reach their full potential simply because they don't build the right daily habits. And that's exactly what we're fixing today. By the end of this video, you'll have 7 powerful habits that top performers swear by, habits that will help you become more focused. Most people drift through life on autopilot. They wake up, scroll on their phones, rush to work, come home exhausted, binge Netflix, and repeat. Here's the hard truth. Your habits shape your future. If your daily routine isn't moving you closer to success, it's pulling you further away. So let's break that cycle. 1. The 2-minute rule. Struggle with procrastination. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This stops small tasks from piling up and builds momentum for bigger ones. Answer that email, wash that dish, send that text. Small actions prevent overwhelm. 2. The no distraction. Power hour. Set a 60-minute timer. Turn off notifications and do deep, focused work. No scrolling, no background TV, just pure productivity. This habit trains your brain for intense focus, making you 10 times more effective. 3. The one-question journaling habit. Not a fan of journaling? Just answer one question each day. What's one thing I learned or improved today? Reflection boosts self-awareness and helps you track progress without overwhelming effort. 4. The move every hour habit. Sitting all day is destroying your health. Set a reminder to stand up, stretch, or walk every hour. It improves focus, prevents stiffness, and boosts energy, because success requires a healthy body. 5. The cold shower challenge. Sounds painful, but hear me out. Cold showers build mental toughness, increase alertness, and even improve circulation. Start with 10 seconds at the end of your shower and build up. If you can conquer the cold, you can conquer anything. 6. The give first habit. Want better relationships, success, influence? Make it a daily habit to offer value without expecting anything in return. Compliment someone, share knowledge, or help a friend. The more you give, the more opportunities come back to you. 7. The digital detox window. Pick a time each day, maybe the first 30 minutes after waking up or an hour before bed, where you completely unplug. No phone, no social media. This resets your brain, improves focus, and helps you be present in real life. Now, you have 2 choices. You can close this video, go back to old habits, and stay exactly where you are. Or, you can start today. Pick one habit, implement it, stick with it, because small changes, done consistently, will change your entire life. Which habit are you starting today? Drop it in the comments. I'll be reading. If this video helped, hit like and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep building the future you deserve.